Lesson number 12 of devised patrons for letter A having sound I, kiuga, kiuga, singular and silent symbolic, kiuga, kiuga, baloney, O for schwa sound, O for O, singular and silent symbolic, A for A, baloney, baloney, singular and silent symbolic, singular and silent symbolic, singular and silent symbolic, singular and silent symbolic, DL, schwa sound, DL, DL, fiation, PH for digraph for first sound, A for A, E for A for A sound, diphthongal sound, A, A, C for sh sound, fiation, this A is for the superscripted schwa sound, fiation, fiation, centiana, A for A for A, singular and silent symbolic, A for A, compare the variations, A for schwa, centiana, centiana. Thank you so much for being with me.